Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on HONOR X7d. Okay, so let's begin. We need to open up our settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down all the way until we find System and Updates. Now, find the backup and restore, and down below we have the Google backup. That's the thing that we are interested in. Make sure that backup to Google is enabled. Down below we have our Google account that we are currently logged into, and on that account our backup will be saved and stored, so you cannot forget it, and also you need to remember a password to it if you would like to restore that backup in the future. Of course, if you want, you can add a new account. Okay, now click on Google account down below. Make sure that photos and videos are enabled, and same thing with other device data. Now, to create a backup, simply hit this button. Now the process should start at any second, so let's wait a little bit. Okay, you can see that a small circle appeared right in here, and it's going slowly to fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created, so now we just need to simply wait until it's done. Alright, and as we take a look down below, we can see that the backup has been made. In my case, still 0 minutes ago, but that's a confirmation that everything went successfully, and our data has been successfully backupped. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.